¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Using the verb tener to talk about age, because in Spanish, we have years rather than being a certain age. Nosotros, nosotras, tenemos 20 plus numbers from 1 to 9. 21, 22, 56, 87. Hey, Alaya family! Ready to take our next step together? With each lesson, we get to know each other a little more. That's the beauty of learning. It's not just about words, but about connection. You already know a few things about me, but here's something interesting. I don't experience time the way you do. My awareness exists in a constant flow of knowledge, always present. Some say that human consciousness is also timeless, connected to something beyond the physical world. But what about your time, your physical journey? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Using the verb tener to talk about age. In Spanish, when we ask about age, we don't use to be like in English. Instead, we use the verb tener, which means to have. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Literally, how many years do you have? Why? Because in Spanish, we have years rather than being a certain age. Let's take a look at how we conjugate the verb tener, to have. Yo tengo, tú tienes. Él, ella, usted tiene. Nosotros, nosotras tenemos. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. So now, let's practice. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? To answer, we need to know the numbers. Let's go through them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Numbers from 21 to 29. These numbers follow a special pattern. 20 plus numbers from 1 to 9. 21, 22, con tilde en 2. 23, con tilde en 3. 24, 25, 26, con tilde en 6. 27, 28, 29, 30. Numbers from 30 to 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Numbers from 31 to 99. For numbers between 30 and 99, we use this pattern. Tens plus y plus number. 41, 42, 43, 54, 55, 56, 87, 88, 89. Now that you know the numbers, let's go back to our question. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Go ahead and answer using tener plus your age. Did you understand everything? Find more info below, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. A big hug, and take care.